1960s mod eye, and this might be like the third, maybe fifth mod tutorial I have on my channel. I really do feel like that style is gonna come back, so I'm gonna preamp it now. Like, I know a lot of people do it already, but I feel like it's not as popular as like some of the 90s and 2000s trends that are in right now. So I kind of want to like turn on the engine and get this bad boy started, right? So I'm gonna do some nice mod eyes for you guys today. No foundation, I feel like we do that all the time. So I'm going to show you my outfit too, and a hairstyle that I do that's varies mod. So I'm going to be using this really adorable Sigma palette right here. I wanted to show you the palette. So this is the Sigma eyeshadow palette. Okay, we're gonna get straight onto it. Of course, I'm going to start with one eye and then skip the other eye. That way we can focus more and I can create this. So this can be a talk through. If I do both eyes, I will be on here forever. So let's get started. What I'm gonna do first is, before I go into the Sigma palette, I am going to just take a beige color just to, you can use your concealer if you want, but I always kind of like to take just a beige eyeshadow just to prep the lid. I'm going to take this eyeshadow right here. It's so pretty. It has the Cinderella shoe. And this shade is called One of a Kind, and this is what we're gonna put all over the eye. Important, I want to stress that this is my modern take on a mod look. So this is kind of gonna be blended with modern ways we do our makeup, because clearly they didn't use too much shimmering shadows back then. So I just wanted to quickly say that. Oh no, the glass slipper is fading away from me. Okay, I'm also going to take a little bit of Sweet Nightingale, and I'm gonna put a little bit of that like at the edge of my eye, just to have, like so, as you can see, to just have more color dimension right there. You could skip this step if you want, but I think it looks pretty. And of course, we're gonna take this shade called Wishful and place this in the inner corner of our eye. All these shadows are like extremely pigmented. Okay, so now for the fun part. This is how I do my mod makeup, because I can be very just messy. So I'm going to take like a smaller brush like this and then use this to kind of create my base. This is the hack to mod makeup. And the first color I'm gonna take, we're gonna build 3 shades up. I'm gonna take the color called Courtyard, which is like a greenish blue, and then obviously we're going to layer colors. So after Courtyard, we're gonna take this one, beautiful blue one right here, and that shade is called Hopeful, and of course we're gonna end with Mischievous. So it's kind of like a teal, navy, and then black. If my camera would focus, there we go. So I'm going to first take the lightest color, that way it isn't too messy. And I'm gonna take this, and you're gonna see how I do this. So it'll help you a lot with precision. See, now that is a nice sharp line, and you can just kind of add more to it with a smaller detail brush so you don't lose that shape. And that trick always works. And I actually want to take it all the way down here to the inner tear duct. So just go ahead and take that shimmering eyeshadow and just kind of like blend it across the line. Of course, like I said, we're going to be blending in darker colors, so I am just going to take the darker navy color. It's more like a darker teal. And that's just gonna bring so much magic to the eyes, you guys. So follow your eyebrow and then connect the shape. And we're gonna take a little bit of black too, just so it could look more mod. As you can see, the shades really blend out well. And I'm even gonna take a little bit of this pumpkin shade to kind of blend that crease. Now this is the part you have to be very careful. It's when we add the black, and I'm just gonna add some black to give it that more mod feel. You could mess up the whole eye. Okay, just like that. And the black eyeliner we're about to do in a little bit is really gonna help. Now we're gonna take that black and do underneath, but first let's line our waterline with some white eyeliner. Like that, and we are gonna take another shade in this palette called Cinder. So we used a lot of the shades in this palette, and we're gonna heavily use this on the lower lash line, and then also we're gonna take this black for the end, like right here. Okay, now I'm going to take some eyeliner. This is magnetic because we're gonna be using big, like bold 60s magnetic lashes. Just putting some mascara on the lower lash line to get those lower lashes to pop. Okay, so both eyes are done. Looks crazy because I haven't put on the lashes yet, but I'm waiting for the magnetic glue to finish drying. I'm going to take a corally blush like this one right here, because that was super popular back then, like crazy blush. Don't be afraid to look crazy. Who says you look crazy? And if those people do, they don't know fashion. Okay, so lots of blush. Now it looks way more mod that I have the blush on. I'm gonna put a little on my nose, why not? Gives it that cute look. Now for the lashes, I told you I want like those bold, like dolly lashes, so I am taking these right here. So I went ahead and just like did a nudie lip gloss, like a nudie peach. So like I said, it is the one, it's called Nudie Peach by Sistars. Hairstyle now, because I feel like that's what's missing. So I'm going to go ahead and do like a ponytail with like a flowing ponytail. So I am going to do the side part like so. So I just leave a little bit of hair like that, and then take the whole thing up. Like this, and then I'm gonna put it up. Now I know what you guys are thinking, that is a pathetic ponytail, but of course, I'm going to have some help. That in itself is cute, but it's not it. So give me 1 second while I do the side part. Now I'm going to take my insert name here pony, and this is in the style Lily, and this is in the color Strawberry Blonde. And this is how I make my hair look more 60s. So you see this boring ponytail. Give me 1 second while I fix this disaster. Hair around to give like that 60s style. And this is my modern 60s look.